Today I'm diving into a makeup trick that can be a real game changer: applying eyeshadow on hooded eyes. If you have ever felt like your beautiful eye looks disappear when your eyes are open, trust me, you're not alone. Hooded eyelids can make eyeshadow placement a little tricky, but with the right techniques, you can achieve stunning eye-popping results. So grab your favorite palette, your brushes, and let's get started. First, we're going to start with priming those lids. Grab an eyeshadow primer or a lightweight concealer and smooth it all over your eyelids. I am obsessed with the Rare Beauty Weightless Eyeshadow Primer. Cover from the lash line right up to the brow bone to create the perfect base. I am using the Angie Hot and Flashy A506 concealer brush. Next, take a fluffy crease brush and a little bit of setting powder, loose or pressed, whatever you've got handy. Lightly dust it all over your eyelids to set the primer or concealer. Now for the fun part. Grab your favorite eyeshadow palette. Today I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way The Natural Nudes. Using a mid-tone shade and a medium-sized crease brush, start at the outer corner of your eyelid. Blend the color into your crease while looking straight into the mirror. This makes it easier to see where your crease starts so that you can apply the eyeshadow above the crease. Use soft, circular, and windshield wiper motions, blending the shade slightly above your natural crease. Keep building the color until the outer corner has the most depth and drama. Time to level it up. Switch to a smaller crease brush and go for a slightly darker shade. Focus this one on the outer edge of your eyelid, working it over and just below the fold. Don't forget to blend, blend, blend. This is very important as you want a nice, smooth transition between shades. For that pop of sparkle, use your finger to press a shimmery shade onto the inner and center parts of your eyelid. The warmth of your finger makes the shimmer really stick and shine. Next, grab an angled brush and a dark eyeshadow. Press it right along your upper lash line to define your eyes and make your lashes look thicker. Then you're going to grab a Q-tip or cotton pad with a bit of makeup remover to clean up any fallout under your eyes. For a crisp, lifted look, sweep it upwards from the outer corner of the eye towards your temple. Now this is optional, but I always like to bring eyeshadow down right below my lower lash. So you'll use a small smudging brush, and I'm going to go into the shade of brown, and I'm just going to do a thin layer right below the eyelash. Alright, you can finish off with mascara, complete the rest of your makeup, and you are all set. Now go rock your fabulous eye look. Bye beauties!